this past month in May 2024, we got a little over $1,000 worth of product for free. All these products are products that are available on Amazon, and I figured it'd be a good idea to share a little bit about it because the fact that I know a lot of people like free stuff and getting free stuff, and some of these products have been a lot of fun. Now, keep in mind, these product reviews are sponsored in some sort of way. It did pay me in the form of giving me a free product in exchange for the product review. Now, there are two products that I did buy last month that I really liked out of the 17 that I felt like were honorable mentions. Number one was the AOTU, which is a camping stove. It's a portable stove that you can take with you. All you need is one of the compatible propane tanks. You twist onto it and you've got yourself a working cooking stove for pretty much any setting. And I think this is one of the best things right now for my family personally, because the fact we could take it with us on the go to practically any place, any camping location, our quick little road trips, whatever it might be, and we'll be able to quickly make a hot cup of cocoa or make a cup of noodles because we can quickly warm up our hot water. And it's just a pretty convenient overall product to have, especially if you're somebody that's really into survival or just camping in general. Another product that we bought this past month, which has massively changed the way that we interact with our everyday life in our kitchen, has been the Jito cheese grater. Now, the Jito cheese grater is a fantastic one because the fact that, one, I don't have to cheese up my fingers anymore when I'm using my old cheese grater, and it's super easy to use. I can use it on more than just cheese, and I think it's just such a fun product to just simply put your cheese or your cucumbers or your carrots or whatever it might be, and you just simply start turning it and it cranks out a great final product. And it comes with multiple different adapters for different finishes on your grated food. So overall, it's super fun and safe and efficient, and that's why I really like this one and thought it was worth the mention. Transitioning on over to the products that were sent to me. So these are sponsored products. They were sent to me in exchange for product reviews. They didn't really pay me anything. I just got to get the product for free. Hence over $1,000 worth of products this month for free that we just got and we just reviewed. Number one would be this super cool dual monitor stand by Stand. I never know how to say the name, but the product makes it really easy to attach. You can either twist on to the lip of your table or you can actually screw into a more permanent location. Now, the one gripe I did have with this specific product is the fact that when I tried to mount my HP27F, the HP27F needed an adapter, so I had to purchase a separate adapter to be able to use it. So in that way, I ended up paying for the products, still kind of paying for it because the adapter was almost the price of this specific dual monitor stand that is currently on sale at the time of recording this video and is around the same price as the adapter I just bought for it. So still a really great finish. I love the way that it changed and transformed my workspace and my office area, and it looks super good, I thought. Next one's a pretty fun one. It's the Peloton WO Mini PC, and you can use it for everyday stuff. You can use it for students, for basic work and whatnot. You can also use it for some casual gaming. Now, I did try to use this for gaming, and I tried the new game that's really popular right now, which I think is Pal World, and I downloaded it, ran it, and did all the fun stuff, and I tried to get it optimized to be able to run as smooth as possible with my gaming monitor and with the PC itself. And, I got it to work just a little bit, but I never got it to run super, super smooth like I have with other gaming PCs with wild specs. But overall, casual gaming and everyday use, this mini PC was a super fun one and was one of the main reasons we were able to get over that $1,000 threshold. Now, it's nowhere near $1,000, but it was worth a couple $100. So, and the last product worth mentioning in the month of May would have to have been my personal favorite that was sent to me, and one of the best products that was ever sent to me because it just is so personal and it's so practical. And this one is the Apollo Sign Smart Digital Photo Frame. And for me personally, I've got 3 little ones that are just growing up way too fast. I still remember having my first baby and moving over here to Michigan and being like, what the heck? Now you're 8 years old. And it happened just like that, so quick. And so having a digital frame for me personally was just like one of those wow, I get to relive these moments without having to pull my phone out, without having to dig through a box full of photos. I can literally connect it to the app or upload an SD card onto it and have it shuffle through and play all the different photos or videos that I love and want to revisit often. So that's the reason why this last one has been my favorite. And this one came in two different sizes. There's a 9.7, which is kind of like a standard size for a lot of tablet screens. This isn't a tablet, but it is touchscreen, which is interesting. And a 10.3, something like that. I'll put the right number right over here someplace. And keep in mind, folks, any of the products that I did mention here today and any of the 17 products that I did review, you can feel free to check out in the description section. I put more information down there. I go much more into detail about each and every one of the products that I did review on there. It also takes you over to Amazon, where a couple of the videos that I didn't post to YouTube because I didn't feel like they were YouTube quality are there as well. But let me know in the comment section if there was any of the products that I mentioned today that you own or you love or is something that you might be interested in now. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And YouTube thinks you might also like one of these videos over in these areas. So have a wonderful day. Aloha.